weird Scratch project. So you all know Scratch, the game engine for beginners. I also like clicker games too, so combining them into together was a dream. So I decided to search clicker game, and while scrolling down I found something particularly strange. Click the cat. With curiosity taking over, I played. It was a normal clicker but with no power-ups. You just click Scratch Cat and nothing else other than Pwn. But when I got to 100 Pwn, then Scratch Cat started glitch. No way possible for normal Scratch standards. But then the project stopped. That image of the Scratch Cat glitching still haunts me till this day.